how to break your set. So basically today's live chat is all about production, set design and especially with regard to your action scenes. बेसिकली सेट पे हम क्या क्या तोड़ सकते हैं हम वो डिस्कस करने के लिए आज यहाँ पर आए हैं. What's up, people?
What's up,
Finally.
guys?
Hi, how are you? Looking good.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.
You guys can hear me, right? You guys?
Yeah, loud and clear, loud and clear. Can you hear us
Yeah.
properly?
Yeah, I
Good.
think so. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's loud and clear.
Yeah, super.
How are you guys? How's the lockdown treating you?
It's good, it's good. I mean, but thank you. Today we got out of our PJs, bathed, put on some makeup, and
That's nice.
happily.
It's too
So,
hot
what-
over here, man. It's too hot.
It's too hot.
Yeah.
We're in
How are
Delhi, so it's-
how's the home science classes going on?
Ball बढ़िया.
we learned how to make dosa. So yeah, it's going well.
And a lot of gardening
Nice,
is happening.
nice.
We have a full
Wow.
terrace garden. So yeah, we're doing a lot
Wow.
of gardening and cooking.
Okay, Shahnawaz is saying nice makeup, Ranjit. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
He's painful.
Shampa is there. Hi, Shampa.
Hi, Shampa. So yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's Shampa. I thought it was like Sham Gopi Krishna. I was like, I already said hi to. Okay. Okay, so guys, those of you who don't know, we are in conversation with Ranjit and Prerna. And today's conversation is all about how to break your set. Basically, production design, art department, everything that's got to do. Okay, let me explain it this way. Just tell me if I'm right or wrong. Writer writes the script. ठीक है? And the director fills it with characters. But the space between the characters is your responsibility.
Yeah, you're pretty much there. Pretty much.
Okay.
Um,
Okay, I think I should start with the first question. What is production design?
all right.
A lot of people have no clue. No. One second. You know, before we get into it, Ranjit, and Prerna, how did you guys meet? Because I know that you've worked on a lot of projects. You come from a documentary background. You come from a VFX supervisor, and then both of you decided to get into production design and art department. Like, how did it all started? You worked on some really great projects like Masan, like Kung Fu Yoga. I mean, one of my idols film, like Jackie Chan's film. So I we'll get into a lot of those things, understanding like how's
Yeah.
production design different in working in international projects and in Indian projects and all. But before we get there, please tell us about your journey. How did it all started? How did you two meet?
Wow, that's a very amazing story. Basically, we both were on a project, and she was assistant director on that project. It was a
Which
big
project?
film.
Okay.
There's this film called Jalpari. So it's a really old film, 2011, 2012. Neela Madhav Panda was the director, the man who made Kaun Kitne Pani Mein and
I Am
Kadve
Kalam.
Hava, I Am Kalam. So not that. what is
I
it?
Am Kalam was very nice. I
Faris
know about
Khan.
it.
Yeah.
So that same gentleman made this movie, and I was his assistant director, and handling pretty much everything from actors to sets and like those over enthusiastic ADs. They just landed their first job and they want to be like, हम ये भी करते हैं वो भी करते हैं type. And that's when Ranjit was the art director for that project, and we had a brilliant production designer, Angelica Monica Bhaumik, who's actually also our mentor.
Yeah.
And so, that's when one thing led to the other. On one fine day, I was given the responsibility to go check what's happening on the sets. And I had to report back and tell everyone, yes, the set is ready and all of that. And like the Entu Cutlet I was trying to help, Monica with like, can I do this? Can I help you with this? Can I put this here? Should I put this here? And obviously she was like frustrated because one AD is nosying around and stuff. So I was thrown out of that set, but then she interviewed me and thought that I might be an asset. And her next project, she hired me as an art coordinator. And then one thing led to the other, and here I am, 8 years down. Here I am, and
Wow.
yeah, and then Ranjit was her assistant for a very long time, and then we were together, working under Monica for a lot of projects, and then of course one thing led to the other, and we became partners in crime and in life. So.
So basically, production design or art department didn't just found you; they brought you together also.
Yeah,
Yes.
it did. It just
Yes,
found us. Because I wanted to be a director. For some insane reason, I wanted to be a director. And the reason why I joined the art department was simply because some wise man had told me, and which is true till date, that to be a good director, you need to you need to be introduced to every single department of film.
Absolutely, absolutely.
It is
I completely
the
agree.
truest of all, sayings. And so I thought that, okay, art department will give me a little edge, and from there we'll hop on somewhere else and, learn the craft. But I stuck on, and how? So, yeah.
So can we expect something to like any of your directorial projects in future?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe, because we both love reading books and writing stories. We have a lot of ideas. I mean, we've been working on like like half a dozen kind of ideas. But yeah, right now we are still exploring the possibilities of our production designing. We haven't done something which will say, oh wow, this is something that we always wanted to do.
We're still, we're still really
Exploring
small
ourselves.
fish.
Yeah.
Small fish in production design, and there's a long way to go, and we like to concentrate on this and make a slightly bigger name for ourselves.
Maybe we'll start while being a production designer, maybe we'll start some small short film or something like that. It's quite
Well, whatever that is, I am definitely be looking forward to it. Absolutely.
You're too
Uh,
kind.
Ranjit, you started off as a VFX supervisor.
actually
So
I
you were
started-
already in the designing process, like not maybe in production, but you know what? But part of a film project, you've already been into designing and you've been supervising it. How did that led to this?
Yeah, man. Actually, what happened? I was a graphic designer, so I wanted to become a director also. But my problem was I wanted to go abroad, and it was too expensive to go abroad. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, then my father.
Can so for those who don't know, please explain what is that?
About what?
About your training.
Yeah, so I was a graphic designer, trained graphic designer. I used to do 3D animation, the lighting effects and the camera movements and everything, and working on photo edit applications and all these were my forte. So, but I wanted to become a director, so I asked my father, I want to join the film industry. He's like, what is film industry? Who are these people joining film industry? It's like, you watch movies, you watch television, they all are made by professionals and they're like film industry people. तो ज्यादा मेरे को भी एक्सपोजर नहीं था उस चीज का, तो मैंने कहा अभी क्या करना है, my father like क्या करना क्या है तुम्हें, मैंने कहा I want to do my graduation in film and TV line में इसमें, तो कहते क्या करोगे उसमें तुम, कहते मैंने कहा कि मैं बैचलर्स करूंगा अपना क्या कहते डायरेक्शन में इन सब चीजों में. So like, where will you study? India में तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. तो मैंने कहा, yeah, I will go abroad. So that was my whole idea. So I was like, it's too expensive. Then I find out
Yeah.
it's too expensive. Then I decided. My father told me, it's like, see, it's good that you want to have a practical, theoretical knowledge of this thing. But I think if you like start reading and studying about cinema and everything, and simultaneously you do the practical, like join someone, assist someone, become an intern, you will learn more. वो वैसे भी मिलिट्री बैकग्राउंड उनका तो ये होता है, जब तक खुद अपने हाथों से नहीं करोगे तब तक जितना भी पढ़ा होगा वो कोई काम नहीं आएगा. तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है ऐसे ज्वाइन करते हैं. So, but my father told me like you are halfway through your study. Just finish your study and see yourself for like at least 2 years.
So both, it's safe to say, like, both of you guys have not had the opportunity to go to a formal to a film school training kind of a scenario, but
Actually, Ranjit did. Actually, Ranjit went to, what was that, Ranjit?
Yeah, that was my postgraduate diploma kind of thing, just to understand how many things are over there. Because as a graphic designer, I know about editing, I know about sound editing, I know about Photoshops and everything, or 3D animation and camera lens and light. But there are more things in it. So how do they function? How many departments?
how different do you think is film school training than your on the job learning?
A lot. We learn in a very small scale, setup. No, I'm not talking about the big colleges. I'm talking about the small college.
With very limited equipment. Even the teachers that we have limited exposure. Like Ranjit actually went to a film school and studied. My training while I was studying was mostly film theory and film studies. So it was, we both came from a space where we don't have a film background, got into a place where they were teaching us some things. Like I was literally, it was film theory. I mean, nothing else. I was watching cinema and reading brilliant theorists and finding what cinema is all about. And Ranjit was actually studying cinematography and all of those things. And then
they gave us the opportunity to make small short films, like small music video and short films of yours and documentary stuff like that. So it was like hands-on experience. So when you go on a professional life, then you can talk about something. You won't be a lot.
So what do you have to say to someone who's like, who's looking at becoming like a production designer in the film industry, and what is the kind of education that you think that they should follow, or they should join, or how does basically one educate oneself, or which school to go to?
So to tell you the truth, there are not many colleges that are providing production design studies in India. There are
Please
few,
tell me the truth.
I am
Please tell
telling
me.
you.
Please tell me the truth bluntly. That's what we are here for.
There are
Tell
not
me.
many.
एक
There are
भी
not
है
many.
कि many नहीं है, मतलब कितने हैं, मतलब 2 हैं,
So
3
no,
हैं.
nahin, actually to tell you the truth, there are a lot of these chota places that are giving courses in production design, some random diploma and all of that. But then there are very few places that are esteemed enough for you to go there and get some real knowledge. Like FTII has a 3-year diploma that any student would be privileged to join. Trust me, it is something that will help you to at least get a strong base. Then there is some amount of training that's given in Whistling Woods as well. Some amount of training is given in MIT Pune. Someone, some Symbiosis has some course, but nothing. It's not a degree course. It's a PG diploma. You finish your graduation and then you join a PG diploma. So there's not something that you can. It's not like a degree that teaches you. The crux.
But what about the quality of learning? Like what about the quality that do you think these courses are providing good quality learning for?
They're trying their best.
Definitely.
But I still feel they're lacking because it's more commercialization. तो वहाँ पे film theory ऐसी नहीं होती है. In fact, if you talk about undergrad courses, if you are going in mass comm or studying architect, these are the best possible options for you. Even graphic designing, I mean, these 3 best options. for the
Even-
production designer right
Even
now.
architecture on a bachelor's level will give you a very strong base, because there you are learning, you're basically stepping into history as well. You're learning the history of architecture, getting to know your material better, because we will talk further about this when you start talking to us what production design actually is. But if you are an architect, if you have a degree in fine arts, and then you enter, then you want to study production design further, it is the best base ever.
Yeah, it's the strongest base.
Absolutely. Strongest
Okay.
base. Because so many times Ranjit and I also wonder, that maybe if we save enough money and take up a small course abroad and just go and, have that degree, have that feeling of what it actually feels like to sit in a classroom and learn production design, and not basically joote kha ke nahi seekha types. We've rug-rolled our ass and then learned what this means.
And knowledge never kills. I mean, study
yeah.
is something we both like to do. Like,
Absolutely.
moment
I
is that
completely
project.
agree. Yeah.
Take a short-term course. It's amazing.
Yeah, one should just keep growing and find each and every opportunity in just learning something or the other, which is going to help them. So okay. So coming back to the main question, what is production design, यार? बता दो, like what are the key roles of a production designer? क्योंकि हम सेट पे जाते हैं, हम हमेशा लोगों को चिल्लाते सुनते art department, but what exactly is art department? What exactly is production design? What are the key roles of a production designer?
अभी लोगों के बीच में थोड़ा सा misconcept है, but a lot of people are coming, understanding the concept of production designing. Now these days ये चीखना चिल्लाना जो है, it's very less comparatively earlier, 5-6 years back. Production designing is basically a visualization.
Sorry, but मेरे को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, but मैंने बहुत चीखना चिल्लाना सुना. अभी भी होता है, अभी भी बहुत सारी जगहों पे होता है ये. But लेकिन we really want to get to understand this, because to be honest, I think even people on set don't know much about art department. They only think कि मतलब art department का काम है कि हाँ कुछ चीजें arrange कर देना, कुछ props arrange कर देना, and that's it. But I know that the entire discussion of production design and art department cannot be done in just one single live chat today, which I'm sure there's going to be a lot of questions, and we'll be, if you guys are interested again, then we can answer all of them again.
मेरे सेट पे आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट कोई ज्यादा चिल्लाता नहीं है. That's the
Yeah. Good.
Take the name.
Ranjit. But to come back to the question in a nutshell, a production designer is someone who designs each frame of a film. Let's begin from there. So, we all know films are made of certain frames. Every frame makes,
Yeah.
a beginning with a scene to, a shot to, all of that. And so each frame is designed by a production designer. So beginning with the colors, the color temperatures, the lights, the,
Sounds.
the certain different kinds of sounds that things make, the objects that are kept in, that space, the movement that is provided by the production designer within that space to let the director choreograph the scene, the way they want to. So production designer actually, in theory, let me tell you, does all of this. Internationally, the production designer, the cinematographer, the wardrobe, the makeup, they all work in such synergy where the production designer has the right to tick off and undo a lot of the work that is being done by their colleagues.
Yeah.
So, but India is a little different. Here, production design is still a very nascent, field, and not everyone can call themselves production designers. We've only lately started calling ourselves production designers. Once we have come to that level of understanding and designing a film as a whole, when you look at a film as a product that you design. So it's not just...
Yeah, I completely agree, because partly, I think, not partly, I would say, but production design is definitely responsible for the visual look of the entire film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and
It's actually the director has written his story. It's in words, but how to visualize it?
So-
how you're going to make it practical and physical in a 3D environment.
absolutely,
It's a
yeah,
visual, it's a visual storytelling. That is what production design can be in a nutshell, which is very true for cinematography as well. It is a visual storytelling. But what production design does is that it lets you tell stories by things as well. It builds a world for your characters.
It brings the right kind of element to one frame, which makes the storytelling easier and more appealing and more genuine. All these things, geography.
and when does a production designer's work start?
Very beginning. As soon as the script and it's written, the first thing that director, apart from the financing and producing everything, apart from that,
We
he
are the
looks.
first people to be hired actually.
Yeah,
Yeah. Production designers are pretty much the first people alongside cinematographers to be hired, and basically their work begins right there.
Yeah.
From beginning from research of what your characters are like, what do you want to create with the characters. Like recently, we last year we finished filming Rocketry, and you will not believe we did not have a lot of time for pre-production, but the kind of research that went into making Rocketry was insane. We were, yeah.
There
you
might
hear
be
me?
some, no, I mean, I can hear you, but there's something wrong with
Okay.
the visuals. Now it's fine. Now it's
Okay.
fine. Yeah, yeah.
So, like I was
Yeah.
telling you, we recently finished filming Rocketry, and the kind of research that went into it. We don't generally go to libraries to research our subjects. For Rocketry, we were going to visual archives, we were going to libraries, we even went to archives from the ministries to broadcast ministries to figure out what exactly rocket engines and all of those little things were like.
So in simple language, if I just want to understand,
Yeah.
where is your research focused at? Like in terms of one, you said script. You start understanding the world in that script. One is that. What are the other focus points of your research?
It starts from the story. It starts from the story itself. I mean, it leads us to different, aspects of the storytelling visually.
Okay,
The
let me put it
concept
this way. Let me
design
put it
is-
this way.
Yeah.
I'm saying I'll just put it this way. How do you break down a script?
So we break down a script beginning with the characters. So every character.
Okay, so
we
characters.
begin- number one is characters.
Who are these characters?
Who are these people? What are their
What's their background? Yeah.
background, religious, cultural, education, geographically, where do they come from? And that is what lends to us building up their world. Like let's talk about you as a character in a story, right? So let's say that you are a Punjabi boy who probably would have come from. I'm just building this up. I really don't know. All
No,
that,
I'm just
but
saying like this would be hard for people to understand. Let's talk about Masan.
It wouldn't be hard for people to understand. Look at it this way.
Okay.
I
Okay.
build a world for characters.
Yeah.
I build a world for a Punjabi boy who has probably come from Delhi to Mumbai. He's trying to base his feet here, and I build his world. So beginning from a small flat that he has rented to what his room will look like, the kind of the kind of used bed sheets probably he has because his mum sent him some from home, to probably his favorite mug that he carried from home, to a pressure cooker that his mum gifted him, and a 2-burner that he bought second hand from one of the
An old suitcase
an
given
old
by
suitcase.
father.
Exactly. That's what builds a character's life. That's what adds to a character. And it's almost
Yeah, that
poetic.
says a lot about me.
I'm
Okay,
just
so
saying,
one is character. What was the other thing then?
other than that is the director's vision of treatment. How does he want to treat his
The mood of the scene.
it's
It's
see,
more about
treatment is not just mood.
Okay.
So
see like Gangs of Wasipur. If you remember the Gangs of Wasipur, it's very hardcore
Yeah, yeah.
and raw, correct? But there are right now other films also with bigger star cast. It's the same backdrop like Akshay Kumar, जो उसने पैडमैन किया था, तो वो भी backdrop उसका वो था, but it was because considering the fact it's Akshay Kumar, you have to bring a level up.
lift it up. Yeah.
लिफ्ट
Yeah.
कि ये है गरीब लेकिन हम लोग वो हार्डकोर नहीं जा सकते. So it's also depend on the kind of treatment that the director needs to have. For the actor that he has chosen for the role.
Right.
So
So you
can
work
go
closely with
hardcore.
basically you work
Yeah.
closely with the director. Do you also work closely with the DOP?
Yeah.
oh, absolutely. I mean, he is the main man. That's what we call all our DOPs. The main man. He's the one who lights up to be able to highlight the set. I mean, his visuals, the way he wants to shoot visuals, the way he wants to treat each thing in a space, treat his character, treat the character's background. Nothing will work, if we are not in tandem and in synergy with our DOPs. I mean, we begin with presenting the color palette and designs and all of that, and then together we decide the temperatures, the practical lights,
The
and
texture and
the
everything.
textures of beginning from as something as simple as fabric.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got a
So-
question coming in from Shanavas. He's asking how to approach a film which sets in future.
Yeah, that's a very good question. We have very few people who dare to talk about a sci-fi kind of.
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong. Yeah,
Yeah, I
sci-fi.
mean-
Yeah, absolutely. We don't have many sci-fis, man.
Yeah,
Like
it's
we don't have.
Very,
I wish we had any Indian Avengers also.
Yeah. I mean, that'll be tough, but then we do have a lot of references in a bunch of comics that we can take, inspiration from. There have been a lot of superheroes in our own.
Yeah,
comic world,
absolutely.
indie comic world.
I've been waiting for a Nagraj film. Like
That'll be fantastic.
yeah, I
you
know.
won't believe I have prepped for in last 7 years I have prepped for 2 films. Each one like 90 minutes or 118 minutes kind of length of films. They were based on futuristic concept, and I worked on the prep, like the concepts, the concept
Right.
design and everything.
From storyboarding to
What?
making ridiculous sketches of what what was that called, Ranjit? That base that we had made where everyone would
the capsule.
the capsules and things like that. We actually
Space,
space capsule. We actually drew them out, but unfortunately, both the films did not take off. Did not
it's
have
very
enough
difficult.
money.
We don't
So-
have proper team, who understand the concept of small scale, this
Miniatures
miniature
and-
art, the visual effects, and the actual set that you need to make against the green, the chroma.
Right.
वो सारे जो technicalities है ना, अभी भी एक feature film में लाने के लिए we are far back. I mean, we can done this, and we have done it in small length segments like commercials. But feature film length के लिए we are lacking the infrastructure, the money, the technical support, the time.
The vision.
Vision is there.
Vision is there. You
Vision
won't
is
believe.
there.
There's some people with
Yeah.
fantastic vision, but
The
unfortunately,
time, the money is a lot for these
Yeah.
kind of concepts. We are lacking in that.
It
Even
takes-
the technical equipment.
it takes years to be able to make a sci-fi movie happen. We've seen it in Hollywood, it takes years.
Concept art में it takes somewhere around like 4 to 5 months easily. Concept art में
And that is just concept art.
Yeah, I mean,
Concept art and sketches and
I think I can completely agree with this because look at Star Wars. Star Wars, the first one, it just took so much time for people to
Yeah.
believe in that something like this was can happen. So yeah, I think I can completely agree. We all know the story behind Star Wars. Not we all. I mean, at least the industry people know the story behind Star Wars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me one thing. So earlier, I wanted to ask you this: that what's the difference between working on a production design for an Indian film, and how is it different than working on an international feature?
Amazingly, there's a lot of difference and there's no difference.
Okay.
Because the lot of difference is according to the Hollywood or international cinema. The concept of production designing is
And the
very
standard of it.
standard, very clear over there. But unfortunately, in India, you're working with Indian crew. You've been hired by the Indian crew. Their thought process is still going like
It's still the same. So
Same.
even if you're working for an international project.
Okay. One second.
there's a-
One second.
Yeah.
One
Go
second.
ahead.
But what do you mean by it's still the same? Because a lot of people don't know what actually happens on an Indian film set. Would you like to explain that, please?
Yeah.
We really want to
Yes.
know what actually happens on set. Like, why are we lagging
So-
behind?
So let's. So this is where we come back to the whole idea of a production designer, and in international films, and a production designer in Indian and international films. So to begin with, like I told you, a production designer in an international project is someone who's working in tandem with almost all fields, right? Like I told you, working in tandem with the DOP and cinematographer, working with the wardrobe department and the costume department, working with makeup, working with lights, and of course, the
In sync
director.
with basically each and every department.
It is a synergy. It is a synergy, and
Yeah.
they together are creating this product. However, in India, one production designing, like I told you, it's extremely nascent, and all departments unfortunately work independently. So there is some amount of synergy when okay, we have to share a color palette and say भैया दीवारों का कलर ये होने वाला है, आप कॉस्ट्यूम ऐसे मत डालिएगा, या फिर कॉस्ट्यूम हमें बताते हैं कि वो हमने तो ये वाला कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन कर दिया है according to our actors, and this is the color that looks good on them. So these are the wall colors that we don't want. So unfortunately, we are still at that level. It's not. It's and we haven't got past that. So there is no designing holistically. There's no designing of the product holistically.
Ranjit, why do you think this happens? Like, why do we come to a situation like this? Like, and how can we avoid this?
we are not aware of a lot of things. The other problem is हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी भी भाईचारे के कॉन्सेप्ट में जी रहे हैं ना, जहाँ पे चीजें
कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट?
भाईचारे के कॉन्सेप्ट में यार हो जाएगा ना, अरे यार इसको ऐसे कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा ना, इतना पैसा नहीं है वो
हाँ, जमा लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ.
हाँ हो जाएगा, चल जाएगा, वो थोड़ा सा इशू है अभी, where we give more important for the relationship rather than the professionalism. That's where we are lacking.
And professionalism is, of course, a little bit. I mean, it is what it is in our cinema. I mean, it's not. It is something that we learn to live by, and there are some people who are extremely professional. There are films that are coming out that are beautiful visual products, and so it's not as simple sometimes as saying ki chal jayega types.
And also we are lacking in planning.
Exactly.
Planning is the key of a film. I mean, we lack in the planning in such a bad way कि यार पता है अभी 30 दिन बाद हम लोगों ने ऑन फ्लोर जाना है, अरे अभी तो हम लोगों ने रेकी भी नहीं करी है.
So
हो
pre-production.
जाएगा रेकी हो जाएगा, लाइक 2 हफ्ता पहले रेकी हो जाएगा, 1 हफ्ता पहले वहां चले जाएंगे. ये चीजें हमारा ये शुरू हो जाएगा, बाकी साइड बाय साइड करते रहना. So this is the biggest setback.
So pre-production is a major issue when we are dealing with films. So in international projects, even when an ad comes to us, we almost have a month to prep. Imagine who preps for a month for an ad, which
For
is
an ad
7
film.
days, or for an ad film. We get almost a month and a half to prep. Sometimes
Wow.
for our films, we are given 15 days to prep.
3 weeks.
3 weeks, and
Amen.
during that period we are also going for a recce. So you know what to be able to give your blood and soul and your sweat to a project, there is some amount of internalizing of the script. I need
Right.
to live my script just as much as the director lives it.
लोगों का कॉन्सेप्ट भी थोड़ा उल्टा
Yeah, I
है.
mean,
Time
sorry,
is
sorry,
money.
please.
लोगों
Right.
का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना वो थोड़ा गलत उन्होंने नेगेटिव दिया है. टाइम इज मनी.
Correct.
बट व्हाट पीपल थिंक टाइम इज मनी. कम टाइम दो तो पैसा ज्यादा बचेगा.
और कम पैसा देना पड़ेगा. So they are not thinking time is money in the sense that
Pennywise pound foolish.
exactly.
It's like that.
If I give a prep period of a month to my production designers, they will probably come up with a plan of maintaining a budget, maximizing on that budget and maximizing on the visuals and production quality of my set as well. So
Maximizing on the creativity, basically.
Exactly,
Yes,
exactly.
And
Yeah.
increasing the production value of the film.
yeah.
That's
Okay.
the whole idea to have a production designer.
So, how do you deal with such situations when you don't have much time?
It's difficult. I mean, we have to find a middle path. I mean, we make our logistics team, which is production team, and the direction team, which is the director and the first AD, the decision maker. We make them, sit and make them understand, what they want to, achieve for the film is not possible, or it's very difficult. There will be a lot of restrictions. You are hungry, you want to eat food. Either you can wait few more minutes to have a proper meal, or you have 2 minutes and eat the Maggie. But how long you can eat the Maggie all the time? You can't eat the Maggie all the time. It can fill it up. It will solve the problem. It will.
Lockdown में तो हम लोग रोज मैगी खा रहे हैं यार.
So
But we all know कि what kind of health benefits Maggie can give and what kind of health benefits can your home food give. So
it's really tough. We have pulled off projects in 15 days. We are quite proud of that. As
you're
well.
talking about feature projects
Yes,
feature
yes.
film.
in
we
15
have-
days,
In 15 days prep, yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
And,
including Recce.
Including
Recce. And it has worked. Thankfully we both work together. That does not mean that people give us only 15 days. But it has
But that
worked
was
because
a different situation. I mean, there was no other option available for
yeah.
us.
So
It happened
thankfully,
so instantly. We were waiting for the project to start from like 3 months.
can
Yeah,
you
you'll have to be. No, I can hear
Yeah,
you. I can hear
Okay.
you. But the moment he goes a little further away from the camera, the sound becomes
okay.
low.
You don't have a shrill voice like me, so that's why I can't hear.
Yeah.
No,
अच्छा
so-
ठीक है. We don't have much time, so I'm just gonna quickly cover as much as possible.
Please
This has been really nice. अभी तक तो काफी insightful रहा है. Like a nice build up to the main cream of the story that we are
Yeah.
now going to disclose. अच्छा.
Yeah.
We have several questions, by
Good
the way.
questions, yeah.
Really good
I know there are a lot of
so
questions,
we'll
and we will
take
not
it
be
up
able to
later.
cover all of them. It's completely fine. Like I know, already कितने questions आ रहे हैं. Guys, just give us last 10 minutes and we will answer all of them. Even if we are not able to answer them, I'm gonna share this on my Instagram, and you can send all your questions, tagging Ranji, tagging Prerna, or tagging me, and we'll answer all of them. Don't worry about it. Can you hear me?
Yeah. We got you back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of action in in our industry, and I've worked on a lot of action projects, fight choreography, fight design, action design. But I want to know it from you. How different is it prepping for an action scene than your normal scene?
it's completely a different ballgame. You know,
Really? How?
yeah. I mean, an action sequence is a choreograph.
Yeah.
You know, and it's a choreography, and the choreography cannot be done without a practice.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
before you decide, like you know, to like you know, this is what we want to do. We need to understand the limitation of the space. We need to understand how is the best possible way we can use the different layer of sets. We call it layer. I mean, yeah,
Okay.
So because see, the thing is that wherever the action sequence is going to take place, that place has already been designed. That design is ready in place. So once our action director comes on board, comes
Yeah,
and
I know this happens कि
you know
पहले
what,
जगह बन जाती है और बाद में उसके accordingly action
exactly,
होता है.
exactly. This is unfortunately the trend in, you know, at least in India, this is what happens. And so, you know, where you need to first introduce your action director to the set, to what is happening. You know, there are so many times the action director wants to break a door or break a chair or break, and we have not been informed, and then those things are not available for him to break. Those are the unfortunate bits. But thankfully, we have worked with some action directors who have been on board since the very beginning, and we have made some beautiful props for them to work around, you know, within our sets.
like
And
like
yeah,
I'll give you an example of Vanguard. That was the another Jackie Chan film that I worked on.
Which
You know,
one?
the first one,
Vanguard.
Vanguard. That was the
Vanguard.
second
Yeah.
film.
Oh, you worked on it. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
When is it out?
So,
We lost you.
hello.
Can you hear me now?
We lost you.
We lost you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, one
So
second.
how?
Is it okay? Is it okay? You
Yeah.
can hear
Yeah,
me?
it's okay now. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. So like, when is it out? When is the film out?
It should have been out.
It's been released in a couple of places in Europe, and of course,
I think उसके
China.
बाद lockdown हो गया तो फिर कोई देख ही नहीं पाया. ना?
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Yes,
the problem.
yes.
You
So
I was
it's
waiting for the
still
film.
waiting. Yeah, the
Yeah.
US release was pending, so it's not got a US release yet. So yeah,
US में अब होगा भी नहीं release मुझे लगता है.
yeah,
I know, I know.
but it was a very challenging project. I must tell you, and Ranjit will tell you in details.
Please,
because
please answer the
Oh
question.
my
Please
God.
answer the question.
how we that is one project that we worked
Yeah.
our asses off, buttocks off. Sorry. So yeah.
You know,
So you,
there were maximum amount of action sequences were happening in India. और उन एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस की जो ब्रीफिंग थी वो सिर्फ 3 या 4 लाइनों की थी. That's it.
okay.
That's all. उससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ था उसके बारे में कि यहाँ पे क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. Everything, but they were smartly prepared. Everything was prepared on sketches, 3D model,
Yes.
you know,
Fantastic action.
and the sequences. This is what we need to achieve because they are already advanced. Now, what action directors and the director love to do, they hire a 3D designer.
Yes.
Yeah,
They get everything done on a 3D platform
right.
and then try to implement that entire thing on real set. This
Right.
way, everybody gets to know not 100%, but at least 80% what is going to happen.
It's
And
like a
that 80%
simulation,
is
you know.
more than enough. Yeah.
Absolutely. It's a simulation, and then every department knows their job.
Yeah.
If
Right.
production design knows what is, you know, what is expected from them and how all of this can be enhanced. What apart from the car flying off a roof, what apart from that is required and needed and will be seen in the film. So that was one learning curve for us as well.
I mean,
so,
even for the visual effects, VFX people, and everybody get to know how much they have to make and what they all need to make. Every department
So how
needs
much
to-
time do you think you would, approximately need to prep for an action scene?
It's
Like a
very
hardcore action
tricky.
scene?
It's actually very tricky to answer because I'll tell you one action sequence we were doing for Vanguard film. The thing is, there's a massive size of vehicle that need to go through lot of levels of walls and doors and stuff like that. That sequence never happened because they didn't have enough time to do that sequence, so they decided to cancel that sequence and do it in Beijing. So that was the vision. Key, the vehicle is being chased by the goons' vehicle, and they've been firing at the vehicle. But the vehicle is actually going through multiple layers of the walls
Of
and
houses and- yeah.
everything. And all the levels are not in the same height. It's up
Yeah,
and down.
obviously.
You know,
Yeah.
it's like hopping on different levels. So उसके लिए the synchronization is very important. The camera angle is very important. You know, the lensing is very important. How many camera we need to use for this sequence. So every sequence was shot with at least 5 to 7 cameras and exposing the entire set. एक एक चप्पा एक्सपोज हो रहा था. Tell you
So
like,
उसके लिए
right
कितना
at the
टाइम
push.
कितना टाइम do you think मतलब were they thinking at dedicating to it?
It was a 3-second sequence, and we were
Okay.
prepping for that sequence. So now the thing is, वहाँ पे it says man hours. How many man hours we have spent on that particular sequence?
Yeah.
It's a 3-second sequence that we need to do. How many man hours that we have spent on it, which includes sketching and and designing and logistics and budgeting, everything.
So how many days was it? Ranjit?
So altogether, it was done between 3 to 4 months. Between 3 to 4 months, but we have spent somewhere around 300 man hours for that sequence.
For that 3 second
For
sequence.
3 second sequence,
Yeah.
300 man
See,
hours.
I now see we've already spoken about this some time back, where there's a big difference in working for international projects than you're working for an Indian action movie. So I'm saying in terms of an Indian action movie, if I have to ask you, because that's the maximum number of time that we are working in. And for example, there's a fight sequence inside a studio जहाँ पे आपको set बनाना पड़ा है. Okay, it's a room or something, you know, and I decide that I want to break each and every corner of the room if I want to, like the window, the table, or anything, a glass vase or anything, you know. So how much time does it usually take to prep for such a scene?
Yeah, देखो, let's say if you're deciding to have a set which is 12 feet by 15 feet का एक room. Let's say
Yeah.
it's a standard living room size,
yeah.
you know,
Right.
a small living
But
room
obviously
size.
this is going to be a little bigger than that because I want to do action in it. So
Yeah.
Exactly. So now the thing is, we decide on either we are going to have only 2 characters who are fighting, and they will be steady cam. So which means you have a 360 degree
yeah,
camera which is looking 360 degrees set.
yeah, movement
And it's-
flexibility.
Yeah, movement
And
flexibility.
how much details are you looking at? And once because
It's
and
a
what kind of a
high
break?
speed,
Yeah.
high speed,
High speed.
or it's a regular speed cam.
And what kind of a breakability are you looking at? When you're like breaking into a door, what kind of a breakability are you looking
Okay,
at?
let's
Does
make it
the
fun.
door-
Let's make it fun. Let's just see what all can we break. What's it?
Yeah, that is something that I don't like. That's why I don't
You
like
know-
the name of your session also. So every time there is a dismantle or a breaking of my set, I run away. I go home. I'm like, I'm done. Okay, you're dismantling my set. I am going.
No,
No, everything
no,
is
but
breakable. Honestly, everything is breakable. Whatever you want, everything is breakable
Exactly.
unless or until.
okay. So
you-
we just no. But this game is not just about that what all we can break. We also want to understand like what is it made of and how was it able to break. You know, कि normally अगर मैं अब टेबल पे किसी को फेंक दूंगा टेबल इतनी आसानी से टूटता नहीं है.
नहीं टूटेगा.
So हमें
there
वो
is a-
समझना है यहाँ पे. A
You
lot of people
want
don't
us
know.
to- you
Yeah,
want
yeah. A
us
lot of
to
people
see
don't
your
know the
great
secret.
secrets or what?
Yes.
No. trade secret.
Okay,
thing
okay,
we
okay.
feel.
Tell
No,
us
but
what you
yeah,
are,
no,
whatever you are
no,
comfortable with.
yeah, no, no, just joking,
Okay.
but it's not a secret. But yeah,
Okay, I'm
go
saying,
ahead.
I'm saying, so all right. Given a situation के there's an action director on board, मतलब सारी चीजें हमें मालूम है. There is a set, there is a room where two characters are fighting with each other, and obviously they want to kill each other. तो जो भी चीज हाथ में आ सकती है, they would try to,
Yeah,
kill
yeah.
each other, obviously. So ऐसी
So
क्या क्या चीजें हैं जिससे हम एक दूसरे को हार्म कर सकते हैं? क्या क्या चीजें टूट सकती है? Like,
yeah, so what we do basically, what I love to do is give my action director, my actors, the whole liberty to improvise during the fight. If you
correct.
give them a sequence और वो वही sequence करेंगे, then it's
It's
no
no fun.
So you need to give
Obviously.
them the
Yeah.
entire space of like improvising. If somehow he loses his balance, he's supposed to go on left while he went on right. Now there's nothing on the right to pick up and break the thing on the villain's head or the other person's head. So what we going to do? Cancel, cut, do it again? No. Let's do one thing. The breakable
Let's pick up a
cross,
vase.
we call it. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's.
So
it's a
yeah,
breakable cross.
vase is a very simple thing. You get sugar glass and all of those little things, vases, bottles.
See what you're calling
glasses.
simple. What you're calling simple. A lot of people over here do not know that that glass can be made of sugar. By the
Sugar,
way,
yes, so glass can be made
Now
out
we
of
have
sugar.
silicon glasses.
We also have silicon glasses, exactly. And they
which
look
is
fantastic.
better, silicon or sugar?
Definitely silicon.
Silicon.
But sugar has limitation. Huh? Sugar is not clear. Silicon is clear. If
It
you
looks
have
real.
if you have a tabletop glass, like then you need to have a silicon. But again, it's very expensive. It's like 100 times expensive than the sugar glass. But the quality that you need to have, you will get it in silicon. You can add colors. You can add pigments in it, and you
Wow.
can add the texture also in it. Yeah.
And it looks so real. I mean, that table, you will never be able to tell in a million years that that is not glass.
Yeah.
And it looks that fantastic. So,
Okay. What if I throw a character?
I never
What
liked
what if I
sugar.
throw a character on a table, a wooden table? What is that wood? What, is that
there
real
is
wood?
a certain kind of a wood. No, there is a certain kind of a wood that is specially made to create these tables.
This balsa wood.
Yeah, and that wood is dried. All the oil is dried out from that wood, and whatever is left, whatever once it's really dry wood, that is a wood that we use to create our sets, wooden furniture,
But
and
now-
I
more.
want
I mean-
now I want to break a crockery on my character's head.
So
we,
you
we
can.
have we have lot of PU foam, we polyurethane foam, So that's one chemical
Foam?
which we use. Yeah. This is one object, one substance
It's
that
safe?
we use for the insulation. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's safe. It's safe in a sense. It's not. It doesn't react to your skin or anything, but it's a flammable law. It's a flammable substance.
So we have to be careful
Oh.
using it.
Yeah.
So when we're using it on set, we make sure that there are anything flammable around is not available. There's no kitchen nearby. There's no people don't smoke inside the set, but take it outside. So those small things you have to take care of.
Then there are
So
other things
sometimes, yeah. So sometimes when two characters are fighting, they just break the entire wall, एक दूसरे को push करके दूसरी wall से निकल जाते हैं. What is that made of?
PU foam and balsa wood and POP. It's a mixture of all these elements. So if you need to make a wall, so brick shape जो होती है हम PU foam से करते हैं. Then we have very light and layer of POP and the sand mix, so it breaks easily.
And looks real.
Looks real also. But it has to be so fast, otherwise you will get to know, oh, this is something else. This is not. It's as close as 90% to the real object, but it has its own limitation, right? Still, you can't.
Once it breaks, there are. If it's not quick, you will know that this is a fake one.
We add pigments inside these elements to make them look like the brick or the stone and everything. but it's a very big challenge, still now to match the color of the brick, of the stone, or other elements. Matter of fact,
Okay.
like
The Instagram is sending in a notification. We don't have much time left because
Okay.
this
okay,
this this chat is gonna end real soon. And but even though
Oh,
if it shuts down in between, I'm gonna start another one so that we can answer the rest of the questions as quickly as possible. Okay. Quick questions and simple answers as simple as possible. आम आदमी को समझ में आए.
very funny.
Okay.
बोलो बोलो.
यार एक आर्ट डायरेक्टर में और एक प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर में क्या डिफरेंस क्या है? क्या यहाँ कोई डिफरेंस है ही नहीं?
जमीन आसमान का फर्क
जमीन आसमान का फर्क है.
है. Yes.
सो ओके, सो प्लीज एक छोटा सा एक कोई डिफरेंस, एक जो प्रोमिनेंट डिफरेंस बताइए.
The production designer is the visualizer. Basically, he visualizes the concept and everything. He makes it on paper. He brings it on paper for easy to understand for the people who's going to execute. And the
Right.
people who's going to execute it,
Is-
art director, the prop master, and the set decorator.
Set.
These are the
Okay.
three main elements of a production designer. They are the right hand of the production designer.
So there is you were saying there's art director, there is set designer,
Set decorator,
Decorator,
set decorator, and then there is props. What?
prop master.
prop master.
Prop master.
Yeah.
Wow, there's so much to production design, man.
And so it's to break it up for you. It's really simple. A production.
Just give
designer
me
is-
one-liners for each, please.
I am giving you one liner. A production designer, like I said, is someone who designs each frame of a film. An art director is someone who executes it. You know what but you understand when I say executed. So there's
Yeah.
this art director.
It's like monitor पे director बैठा हुआ है और the first AD is actually executing the things.
Yeah.
Somewhat like that. It's just that an art director is much more skilled. So
Yeah.
I don't mean anything
Yeah.
by it, but he is
No,
extremely
designation wise
skilled.
he's like also like
Extremely skilled because they are not only well versed in creating budgets, team management, technical expertise of how to art directors are also said this.
Yeah.
So can you hear us? Hello?
yeah. I mean you just breaking in between. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah. So
Set decorator.
like I said, they are much more skilled. So set decorators have basically they have a swing gang under them. These people are people who look into the property and interior aspect of a project. So a set decorator will be someone from wall color to fabrics to furniture to the
Foliage.
props to foliage to whatever is required interior wise. The set decorator takes care of that. They have a small swing gang under them, which has a bunch of set dressers and prop boys as well. So like that.
Okay. Prop master.
A prop master is someone
who's trained and who's trained actually to understand the requirement of element is like let's say कि हमें चाहिए एक fabricate करना हमें एक particular shape and size का vase which is an antique piece.
Right.
Now, how are we going to achieve that? The prop master is actually who will have the idea and who will have the manpower and force to do all these things. Even like
to create special
yeah.
props as well.
The special
Yeah.
kind of the requirement for the doors and the knobs if it's a antique
Period
style
project.
Got it.
period project.
Yeah.
It's a future
Like how we see in horror films.
yeah
Yeah.
exactly, all mechanism towards the prop or sourcing a prop
And
is-
making a prop.
or making a
Either
prop
ways,
with the prop master.
it's his job.
What is the most weird kind of action prop that you think you might have ever worked on?
I actually made क्या कहते हैं revolver.
A revolver.
which was supposed to be like क्या कहते हैं thrown on the face of of the other person
It was a revolver. Which
You're breaking,
needed
you're
to
breaking.
Be, with someone.
Breaking.
because it was so close to the camera, like almost on your 55, and it's like 1 meter away from your distance. So it was like visually, it was as real as revolver. You need to make it show, and the sequence was like in that one take only, it will go on the face of the person, and point blank it will fire. तो अब वो अगर ऐसे आके यूं लगेगा तो it will hurt ना metal and everything. So that needed to be made and needed to fire also.
So it was not really like weird. It was just technically extremely challenging.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
actually
The
thought
barrel
we-
needs to move. It needs to fire. It doesn't need to hurt. And
When do you or when do you actually on an Indian film set? When do you first interact with an action director?
as soon as he has seen the
She's
vision
laughing.
from the director.
Sorry, because I have had action directors land up like 2 days before the shoot also, or on the day of the shoot also. So that has also happened with us. On the day of the shoot, the action director comes and he tells me,
हाँ,
अरे
क्या-क्या है
क्या है
तोड़ने
तुम्हारे पास?
तोड़ने के लिए
एक्शन में वो आर्ट मैडम को बुलाओ, क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
अच्छा आप बताओ क्या क्या है तोड़ने के लिए तो मैं वही तोड़ूंगा खाली
हाँ, so I have been called art madam so many times by people and उनको बोला वो बताएंगे क्या तोड़ सकते हैं.
Oh my God.
But yeah, I don't want to sound negative because everyone has their own dilemmas and constraints and commercial problems while hiring crew. But ideally, we meet our action directors on narration, which is the best time to meet them because when your director is telling you the story, that's the time hundreds of questions come up. That's the time he's also discussing treatment with you. And so at that time when our action director is telling us what he requires is bliss.
a blessing.
Yes, and a blessing. So yeah.
What funniest experience with an action during an action scene or with an action director?
Oh, action sequence! I had the funniest one.
Tell me.
So what happened? We made a 3-story facade on an actual live street. I mean,
In Jaisalmer, right?
In Jaisalmer, it was supposed to come down, like falling over the person who's hiding underneath it.
There was
And
supposed to be a blast.
There's supposed
and
to
it
be
would-
a grenade or rocket launcher sequence, and it goes through the wall and it blasts the whole three-story facade and comes down, rumbling down. Now the problem is the street width is not more than 10 feet.
Okay.
And yeah, there's no possible way that you can bring a vehicle inside because we have hairpin bends, and the biggest vehicle that you can bring inside is a nano or an auto rickshaw.
Okay.
That's it. So no way we can get a horsepower thing to bring it down because it's made out of PU foam and 3 stories. So we lined up 6 steel cables, and we lined up the entire crew to hold that steel cable. And on a countdown of the action director, we pull it and everything comes down. We had a smoke blast rather than the fire blast. We had the smoke blast, and the fire was added in the VFX. The first take, people were told and how to do it,
Time it.
pull it
how to
in
pull
the
it
same
out, yeah.
sync. 3 cables were didn't pull. वो भूल गए pull करना.
And this is a Jackie Chan film, okay? It's not some random.
Yeah.
अब वो फसाद ऐसे ही हिल रहा है. It's like okay.
And
The whole sequence happened without that facade falling down.
then
And the director was looking at it like, oh,
Rajiv, he's like,
And
Raji,
it didn't fall.
it's not falling.
Yes, it didn't fall. Now what? Like, I will do it second take. Okay, how much time? So we need 2 hours to set it up again. So it was chill. I mean, we accounted for 2 takes. The first take could have gone wrong, so we accounted for the second take.
And so then finally it did come down and quite gloriously. And
The best
yeah,
shot.
it was hilarious. We had everyone on board pulling cables. So
We
it
had
was fun.
EP, we had our production designer from the China. We have costume designer. We have other crew members. We have the local also to pull the cable.
So yeah, that's
So
what
how do you see on set? You meet a variety of people, right? And it just so happens that sometimes all of these people are like new to you, or sometimes there are some who are friends of friends, or whom you have worked with on previous projects. But most of the time you meet like a lot of variety of people.
Yeah.
So has it ever happened that that sometimes your action director is a very tough person to work with? Have you ever dealt in that
always
situation?
get along with my action director. That's one thing. They've been always been my good buddies.
yeah,
Okay.
New, old.
we've always managed to
Yeah. So I never had any problems with my action directors, stunt coordinators. Never ever. In fact, they always been very comfortable working with me, and always been comfortable working with them. I have heard so many stories like he's this kind of person, he's that kind of person, he's very bad, me. But no, I always have a good time.
And I also feel, once it's not, I'm not saying this out of some amount of, pride or whatever. What I'm trying to say is that when you know your craft, when you're aware of what is required, and when you're sincerely and honestly going to someone and telling them that aapko kya chahiye, that what is it that I can provide, and how can we work together.
When you already
I think it
prepared.
brings out
Yeah, I think that's the
positive side
best
of it.
attitude to carry on set.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Exactly.
like that's what makes you a team player also.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we've never gone across to any action director and gone like हम तो यही कर सकते हैं, हम तो इतना देंगे, we this is हमें तो पहले बताया नहीं था types. So we've always gone with a very humble attitude to actually all the departments we work with, because there is no other way to work. There is because the film becomes your baby, there is everything that you need to give to a film. So if the team doesn't work in synergy with each other, hand in hand with each other, there'll be no walls falling or breaking or vases breaking on people's head, unfortunately. So yeah.
No, but see, you're a couple who are working in the same department. Like, but I also want to know, okay, how many females are there in the industry, as in like in the particular production designing department?
Several.
A lot.
Several. Oh
A
my
lot?
god, a lot. There's some.
Yeah.
One of the most, few of the most brilliant production designers are women, and exceptional ones. Women with such.
I'm sure.
With who inspire me and Ranjit. Have inspired us in all films that we watched of them, and so there are several women, and I mean it is tough to be a woman in this industry sometimes, but
Please tell us
mostly-
how.
I mean, when I was learning my craft, it was being a girl. There were certain things, certain responsibilities I was not given. There were certain things that were expected. आप इसको ना रहने दो, ये लड़का कर लेगा, आप यहाँ पे मत करो. And apart from that, there are some things that are not in your face, just some indiscriminations or I think callousness that is ingrained in our mentality. Like simple things like not having proper loos for all of my women colleagues. And I'm not just talking about women in the art department. I'm talking about like even when you're going on prep, there are women. It is quite unfortunate. It is unfortunate. So when you're prepping in outdoor locations, be it women and ladies from costume department, makeup department, or from the art department, there are no proper loo. So while you're shooting, there are vanities, but when you're prepping, there's pretty much nothing. And so I and my colleagues and my assistants have had to go to, like, in villages, have to go to like aunties and houses and ask them favors कि please आप हमें अपना loo use करने दीजिए इन फला फला दिनों के लिए, and we can pay you from from our pockets or whatever, just for 15 days and things like that. And unfortunately, if you go to Film City as well, when you shoot in Film City and if you're shooting on open floors, unfortunately, the Film City loo is also terrible.
Even they
Yeah.
don't have the proper
It's
infrastructure.
it's
It's amazed me.
we
like, all the time.
actually, when if we are building a set in Film City, so me and my girls, we go to Oberoi to meet. So it's sad because what happens, that your productivity also lessens in some ways, because there are certain logistical things that you have to think of.
I have been
And
stressed at
it
production.
see, so much time is also wasted,
Exactly.
Yeah.
Your project,
And like they say, time is money. Like where is your money now?
I have been told by people like, sir, please वहाँ पे मत भेजो ना, क्योंकि वहाँ लू फिर हमें लाना पड़ेगा, वो थोड़ा खर्चा हो जाएगा। मैंने लू लाना पड़ेगा, कहते हैं हाँ मतलब लेडीज के लिए ना, आप लोग तो कहीं पे जाएगा, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ।
मतलब ये प्रोडक्शन वालों ने ये बोला है।
yeah, a lot of times this is
Lot of
happened.
times.
And there are a lot of times where
Then you have to fight for these
yeah.
basic.
A lot
basics.
of times there is no security also provided. So in case I have to, we have to leave a few women on a particular set, which let's say is in Film City or in certain areas. Let's say हम किसी outdoor shoot में किसी गांव में किसी property पे prep करें, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि security नहीं है. I'm scared of leaving my female colleagues, my assistants there alone.
Obviously, yeah.
Because I know that we are in a new town, a new city. So these are some small things that hamper our productivity. But
These are not small things, by the way.
No, planning.
These are-
unfortunate.
सारे बॉडीगार्ड उनके बाउंसर तो दिन भर लगे रहते हैं, रात के लिए कुछ बचता नहीं उनके पास. So it's logical logistics that we lack a lot in film industry. We have very good directors, we have very good vision, we have very good stories, we have so many good technicians, but one thing that we lack in is like logistics, common sense, simple.
And I've seen a lot of production EPs that are women are extremely careful about these things. Extremely careful. They are making sure that for our women colleagues we will provide for certain things, but sometimes their hands are also tied. So they would want to do so much, but there's only so it's not possible for them. It's like a big deal कि हम 4 बंदियों के लिए कहीं पे कोई लू प्रोवाइड करा दें. For them it becomes an added खर्चा, and that unfortunately is something that hampers a lot of productivity for some of my absolutely brilliant female assistants and colleagues.
Yeah.
And for me also sometimes.
Obviously.
And
I think
this
there's.
is just a very little, this is just touching the tip of the iceberg. It goes very deep, but this is
I'm
no
sure.
time to talk about
I'm
that.
sure.
Yeah.
But this has been really, really amazing. Yeah. Quickly, I just want to get on to the last question. So to such producers and to directors who are part of these projects, and also a message to our aspiring art directors or production designers, what do you have to say?
Think. A lot of thinking. It's actually the prep which makes you successful. If you do everything like haywire and last minute, you will not succeed. You will waste your resources. You will waste your manpower. You will waste your talent. You need to be quick and fast on your foot, definitely, but you need to be relaxed while you're thinking, because that's the time when you will be when you are slow in your thinkings and relaxed in your thinking process, you'll be quick on foot when you are actually shooting.
And
You'll
apart-
save a lot of money.
True. And to all, there's very little one can guide when it comes to production design, because anyone who wants to be a good production designer needs to be a storyteller as well. So when you
Absolutely,
realize that everything on your set, from a small vase to a small clock, a wall clock or a clock on the table, like I was telling you, a pressure cooker, when you realize all of these things tell stories, that is when you will become a good production designer. A production designer is also someone who's culturally extremely in tune, like someone who knows what's happening around them. They have to build stories around people. Your director has already written a beautiful story for you. Now,
Yeah.
a production designer's job is to build a story around that story
To add
and
to the
make it visually
subtext.
appealing. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
that's how it is.
three quick tips that you would want to give to your action director.
Uh, uh, be in sync with your art director and production designer and prop master. Like, first, open up and tell them what you want to achieve.
What do you want to break,
And
basically?
yeah,
Yeah.
and take production and direction and confidence, and because it'll have to be a workup between all four departments, production design, production, action direction, and your direction department, for us to be able to achieve certain things. There are a lot of things that are demanded from us. Unfortunately, we have constraints. So until all of these four departments come together and tell, stay, give go aheads, that is when we will be able to give you a bang on product and help you break whatever you want to break.
It's communicate, listen, and share.
So,
Communicate, listen, and share. So in order to break your set properly, you need to
set properly.
communicate with your art director. You need to share with your production designer and
Listen what
listen.
option can be. Yeah.
Ha.
This is
Listen, and be
suddenly
open to ideas. Right?
this
Yes.
has suddenly turned into like a mental health.
Okay.
Yeah.
This has been so amazing, yeah, so insightful and so amazing in so many ways, because I got to learn about production design in art department and prop master and set decorator, which
Art
I had
director.
no clue about earlier than this. And I'm sure a lot of people who are watching this, even this is definitely has been really insightful for them as well. And guys, if you have any questions, I'm gonna share this on Instagram. I'm gonna put this on YouTube also, so that you can refer to it. And please send in your questions. Tag Ranjit, tag Prerna, or you can tag me, and we will answer all of them.
Yeah.
Super.
Thank
We
you
will.
so much. Thanks a lot
Thank you.
for taking
Thank
out
you.
the
Yeah.
time and for educating us. Thank you.
Absolute
More
pleasure.
pleasure.